In this video, we'll show you how to create products on Printify. The process is quite simple, so let me guide you through the steps. Head to printify.com and click on Catalog. You can select from t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, bags, socks, hats, mugs, and so much more. As an example, I'll choose the classic bestseller Bella & Canvas 3001. Before designing, select the most suitable print provider for your needs based on location, price, color variants, or other criteria such as the print provider ranking. Additional information about shipping for the print provider can be found here or on our shipping rates page. More details about the product itself, such as the sizing guide, are available below. I'll head straight to the designing in our mockup generator. Always make sure your file matches the print file requirements. Add your design by either dragging and dropping or clicking this button here. Use the transform box to change the size, rotation, or position of your artwork. Here on the right, you're given extra options should you need to adjust position with finer control. Depending on the product, you can add your design to different print areas. Here, I can customize the front side and back side. Other print providers have the option for sleeve printing and custom neck labels. Note that each print area may differ for the recommended image size, which is listed under the Add Your Design button. You can choose which colors you want to offer for this product, as well as different sizes. You can also add different artwork to different product variants, for example, dark artwork to lighter shirts and vice versa. You do this by selecting the color you'd like to change, making a specific design, deleting the default artwork, and adding a new one to this particular variant. Repeat the steps should you want different artwork for other colors or print areas as well. This looks good, so I'm going to head to the preview. Here you can see your item in multiple views and colors. I'm finished editing, so I'm going to save my product. And just like that, my product has been created and is ready to be published to my store. But first, I'm going to edit the listing. Here you can see your product variants as mockups and choose the title image. You can edit product information such as the title and description. And you can adjust your retail price for each size and, if necessary, also for the respective colors. This means you choose how much of a markup you want to add to the wholesale price. Finally, publish this product straight to your shop or save as a draft should you want to publish later. For example, after ordering a sample and making sure it's perfect. Once you've published a product to your shop, our print provider network handles fulfillment and shipping, saving you time and money. Have fun creating products and making great sales.